Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever time that you're watching this. You know what today is. It's grocery haul day. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I apologize. Someone was coming into the garage door, so you probably heard my thing talking. But I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get this party started. Before I turn the camera around, I just wanted to say if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like these types of videos, thumbs up the video. That helps push my videos out for other people to see them. So now I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, we're going to start over here. I picked up another 10-pack of mini Pepsis. This is a Sam's and Walmart haul. So I picked up a rotisserie chicken at Sam's Club. So much cheaper there. They're only like $5. I grabbed some more Gatorades. This is Walmart. More Sunny D. I'm out of my cherry water stuff, even though I like the Nerds one, but you can't buy the Nerds cherry by itself. So I had to buy the Starburst one because I already have plenty of the other flavors in Nerds. So I'm just like, really? So we'll see how this one goes. I think it's pretty good. And I got another thing of lemon cookies, more bananas. In this bag, it is just, they broke. The box broke. So I got some more crayon apple. This was at Sam's, and this was on Instant Buy for like $6.24. You can't beat this. You can use this in pasta salads, in your chicken, whatever, regular salads. This is really good. But if you do use this in like the crock pot in your chicken, be careful because this stuff can get pretty salty. So just a heads up. I grabbed these little mini muffins from Walmart. This is banana nut. That is blueberry muffin. So grab those. Over here, grab my husband some more creamer. I don't use creamer, but he does. Grab some more burritos. Some extra sharp cheddar sandwich cheese. This is the one that I eat. I like this one way better for myself. I grabbed some more chicken patties. I needed more cream cheese. I always try to keep this in hand. And did you guys know that you can actually freeze your cream cheese? Now, though, if you're freezing this, you can't take it out of the freezer and like slice it on some bread. No, it's not going to work that way. But now if you're using it in like recipes and things like that, it's a great way you can freeze it. You can buy a couple of them and put them in the freezer. And they work perfectly fine. I grabbed some more tater tots. I like to make cowboy casserole. So I use tater tots, and we haven't had them in a while. I thought we had more, but I looked and we didn't have any more. Grab pizza rolls for quick lunches. Honestly, these things are so nasty. I don't know how anybody eat these nasty ass things. Excuse my language, but they nasty. But I get them for like my mother-in-law or just like on a quick go. Grab some sandwich cheese for the house, for the rest of the folks in the house. I don't eat this. I eat that. Yes, I'm bougie, but that's okay. Mind your business. And then I grabbed some feta. You always got to have some feta. I should have grabbed this at Sam's Club because what I'm buying every time I go to Walmart, I can just have a bigger one. So I need to do that next time. Then I grabbed some smoked turkey breasts. What I do, I like to wrap this up with some cheese. And that's how I eat it because I don't eat any bread. So I know it's not healthy for you, but that's okay. It's a quick lunch. I grabbed a gallon of 2% milk for the house. Half a gallon for, coffee drinks. You know. Then over here, I grabbed some Fabuloso. So I grabbed some of these to clean toilets and mop floors and all the stuff. And so we have a septic tank. So we got to buy this every month and put it in our septic tank because we ain't trying to have problems with our septic tank. Okay? We ain't trying to have no backups in our toilets and our sinks and all that BS. Because that's some bull street right there. Instead of saying bull, we say bull street over here. So grab that. This is from Sam's. and I grabbed some more laundry detergent. And these are the bigger ones. And these are huge. You only need like one. Normally, sometimes if we have a large load of laundry, we would use two. Nope, just one for those bad boys. We needed more shower liners because I like to change these up every couple months, give them a refresh. So I just grabbed some $2 ones at Walmart because they cheap and nobody got time to be spending money like that on some plastic stuff, you know? So, and then I grabbed some Downy scent beads. Now, these were at Sam's. These were on sale or something. These were only like 14. The other ones were like 20. And I was like, no. So I only use this in our towels and our sheets. I do not use this in our clothing. I don't know if we would break out or not. So, well, we haven't broke out scent or yet because we do use them in our towels and sheets. So that's only for that. Grab some more Ruffled chips. These are my favorite chips. Cheddar sour cream. I just grabbed a backup oil, like spray canola oil. That's what we use around here. Then on the floor, I grabbed another 24 pack of Pepsi. Girl, look at my shoes. They cute. They Temu. I'ma link them. They cute. But anyways, I grabbed the croissant, sausage, and eggs. These were on sale at Sam's, and I believe they're a way of a better buy at Sam's Club like this than to buy them at Walmart or some stores like that. I grabbed these for quick breakfast for my husband in the morning because he has to get up so early for work. So I grabbed the croissant ones, and then I grabbed some, what are these? Pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets. This is a really good buy if you buy them at Sam's because at Walmart they're like, I think $12, and I think you only get like 10. You get like 20 in this, and it's like $5 more. So better buy. Then also picked up some Meat Lovers breakfast bowls. Again, quick, easy dinner or breakfast for my husband when he gets up early for work. You can just grab, put in a microwave, and go. So that was my grocery haul, Walmart and Sam's Club grocery haul this week. Thanks again for stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you guys next week in the next week's video. Bye!